Hello everyone, hope you're all doing great. So I am Saranya and in this video we are going to solve the next 10 questions which is the level 2. Okay, so if you have not solved the previous questions on level 1, please go back and try to watch that video and solve all these questions. And in this video we'll solve the level 2 questions. Okay, so let me share my screen. Alright, so these are the level 2 questions where it will get a little tougher than the level 1. Okay, so it has all the where, order by, limit, all of that we'll be using here, right? So now the first question is display the top 3 lowest paid employees. Okay, so first you have to find out who is the lowest paid employee and then you have to take the top 3 from them. So select star from my EMP because the table that we are using is the my EMP table. Okay, so if I run this table, these are the records that we have in this table. Okay, so select star from my EMP. Now display the top 3 lowest paid employees. Lowest paid means that in the salary column you have to sort them by ascending order. So then order by salary ascending. Okay, so now once you do this, what will happen? It will try to order the salary in the ascending order. So top 3, for that you have to use the keyword limit space 3. Okay, so let's run this. You will get the top 3 lowest paid employee details. Okay, so this is your first question. Now coming to the next one, display employees from department 60, order by salary in the descending order. Okay, so first thing what you have to do, you have to display the records. For that you will write select star from my EMP. Okay, from department 60, which means that where department underscore ID equals to 60. Okay, if you run this, what will happen? You will get all the records wherever the department ID is 60. Now order by salary. Then you will use order by salary. They are asking it in the descending order. So write DESC. This will sort the salary in the descending order. If you run this, you will get all the department ID 60 and then the salary is sorted in the descending order. Okay, so this is the next one. Okay, so the reason why I'm making this series where I'm solving all the questions is because if I just tell you how to use where, how to use order by, you'll understand. But when the actual question comes in an interview, you'll be confused how to write where condition, how to write order by, how to write both of them together, right? So that's the reason why I'm making this series. So you will understand what is the step-by-step way you should write the code, right? So please remember, you will always write select, then comes your where, after that comes your group by, then comes your having, after that comes your order by, and then comes the limit. So this is the order in which you have to write. Okay, so try to remember this order. Okay, so now let's get back to the question. The next question is display employees whose salary is greater than 7,000, order by the hire date. So select star from my EMP first. If you run this code, you will get all the employee details whose salary is greater than 7,000, which means wherever the salary greater than 7,000, then order by hire date. Then you have to write order by, what is the hire date column? Hire underscore date. Okay, if they are not trying to tell you descending or ascending, just give it ascending. Okay. So now you see all the hire dates in the ascending order wherever the salary is greater than 7,000. Okay. Display the top 5 employees hired most recently. Okay. So first do select star from my EMP table and try to display top 5 employees hired most recently, which means order by hire date, descending order, then take the top 5. Okay, so run. You will see all the recently hired employees. Okay, so display employees whose salary is less than 10,000 ordered by first name. So what it means, first you have to get all the employees whose salary is less than 10,000. So for that, select star from my EMP where salary is less than 10,000. Okay, and order by first name. So order by first underscore name ascending. Even if you write this ascending or not, it will behave exactly same. So it will try to order everything on the first name in the ascending order. Okay, so this is done. Now you have one more question. Display employees from department 90 whose salary is greater than 15,000. Okay, so select star from my EMP whose department is 90. So where department ID equals to 90 and also salary greater than 15,000. Should I use the AND condition or condition? How to figure out this one, right? So the reason is because if a question has to satisfy both the cases, like this it should match, this also it should match, then put a AND condition. Only one thing if it is satisfied, then also it is fine, then put the OR condition. Here they are clearly saying department should be 90, also salary should be greater than 15,000. That's why I gave the AND condition. So if you run this, you will see either also. So you will see department ID is 90 plus the salary is greater than 15,000. Okay. Now display the top 3 highest paid employees from department 60. Okay. So first select star from my EMP table wherever the department is 60. Okay, so if I run this, what will happen? I will get all the records wherever the department is 60. Now, top 3 highest paid employees, which means order by salary in the descending order. Okay, so if you run this, now in the department 60, this is the salaries which are ordered by the descending order. Since they are asking top 3, give limit 3. So run this, you will get all the top 3 employees from the department 60. Next you have display all unique department IDs. It's a simple one. Select distinct department underscore ID from my EMP table. Okay, so this is done. You will get all the unique department IDs that we have. If they ask you to sort them, just put an order by. That's all. Display employee names and hire dates ordered by hire date. So it's very simple. Select. They said employee names, right? So let's put the first name and last name. And hire dates. My EMP table and order by hire underscore date. That's it. Just run this code. It will give you all the first name, last name, and whenever they are hired in the ascending order. Okay. Now display employees whose salary is between 6,000 and 17,000 ordered by salary. Okay. So select star from my EMP table where the salary should be between 6,000 and 17,000. So I will use the between keyword directly, where salary between 6,000 and 17,000. Then order them by salary. So order by salary. Okay, so if I run this, you will see that you are only seeing the salary between 6,000 till 17,000, and also they are ordered based on the salary column. If you see here, all of them are ordered in the descending order. Okay, so yeah, that's it for this video. Right, so we have solved the next 10 questions. So in the video number 3 or the next video, you will see the little more tougher questions than we have solved in part 1 and part 2. Okay, so please do try to solve the problems on your own before you jump into the solution, right? So yeah, that's it for this video. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions, please let me know in the comment box, and also subscribe so that I'll be posting a new video every day and you don't miss out on that. Thanks for watching. Bye.